In this tutorial, I will show you how to achieve this transparent text effect in Canva. On a new page, write your text and change font to your most preferred. Change the text color to white. Click Effects, choose Lift and drag Intensity to 100. Duplicate the text. Download the page and re-upload. Upload the image you want to use. Go to Apps and search Blend. Select the text image as the top layer. Select the other image as the bottom layer. There are different blend modes you can pick from, but to achieve the transparent text effect, you need to use the multiply. Once done, add to design and delete the others. Now this is the final result. You can now set image as background. And that is the end of today's tutorial. See you in the next one and don't forget to subscribe.